Hey guys, thank you very much for joining today. So today we're going to go with 555. Really, really cool Phish song. It kind of jumped out to me listening to the Numbers show. It's not one that I've heard it. It's not one that I had fell in love with initially. But upon listening to it a few more times and listening to the Fuego version, it's a really, really cool song. And there's not a ton to it. You're going to be messing around on a B flat minor for the majority of it, and you got a couple other bar chords. So it's all bar chords, but it's not too bad. So you will hop in all of that. As always, if you haven't already, please click the subscribe button, hit the bell for notifications. Let's hop in. Right, so like I mentioned, so 555 starts on a B flat minor. And that is, you're going to bar that 6th fret, ring finger on the 8th fret here of the A, and pinky on the 8th of the D. Now, because this is a bass-driven song, it's a mic song, I like to hit that root note here, that B flat, on the low E to start it. So. So that's kind of what I'm hearing when So they play the B flat minor first. So it's like. So that's what I'm hearing for that. When the other band comes in behind him for the second, kind of the whispering part of the chorus, right? So, or the verse. So, so all I'm doing there, again, so we're staying in that B flat minor shape. So I'm going 6th fret here of the D, hammering into the 8th of the D, back to the 6th, 8th of the A, back to the D, and back to the 8th there on the D. So. And that's pretty much all I do for the verse. Now you can play around with that B flat minor. But that's pretty much it for the verse. Is really getting that B flat minor down, listening to the song, kind of getting that rhythm. Then the bridge out of that, it's pretty simple as well. I think they do that twice. So on the B, we're hitting the 9th fret twice, 6th fret twice, and then on the G, 8, 6, then 8 here on the D. Okay, and so let me go ahead and play through that up until the chorus. So. And you do that twice, and then we'll come into the chorus. So I'll go over those chords here in the chorus. So we've got a D flat. So just stand, you know, your standard C bar shape. Anyway, so barring the fourth and the sixth, or D flat, then we're going to a G flat, which is again standard bar G shape, just moved up a fret here. So you're barring that second fret. Then middle finger's on the third of the G, pinky is on the fourth of the D, and ring on the fourth of the A. You go back to your D flat. Now we're going to our B flat minor. Then an E flat, which is, again, is just barring that sixth, or sorry, barring the sixth and the eighth. Then to an A, which is really, really interesting, as it kind of changes the I don't think it changes the key, but it definitely changes the vibe, which is really cool. The A there, and then back to your B flat minor. Let me go ahead and play through that chorus here. Alright guys, that's it for 555. A really cool song. I hope you guys enjoy it. Please leave any feedback, comments below. See you guys again soon.